Hey guys, this is John from US Dash Camera. Today I'm announcing the winner of the myGEKOgear 4K camera and hardwire kit giveaway. So as I mentioned in the video, I was going to be using a random comment picker, and it is, as I said, only open to people in the continental US. So before I choose the winner, I just want the winner to know, check down in the comments after you view this, and I will have a pinned comment where you can find my business inquiry email. You can email me and I will let you know or explain how you will verify who you are, and we'll be able to ship it out to you as soon as I can. So the winner is AH. So AH, check down in the comments and I will let you know my email. And once you email me, I will give you further instructions on how we will verify your identity. I'd like to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel and who watches my videos. I plan on doing more giveaways in the future, so look out for that. Also look out for my future reviews. I got the Blackview DR900X 2-channel coming, and also the Viafor A119, or excuse me, the A129 Plus model. So both of those reviews are coming soon, so look forward to those. And as usual, drive safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.